Hi guys! Welcome to part 3 of the SolarBot series. So in this tutorial, we are going to build the WalkerBot. So here's the sample of a WalkerBot. It kinda looks like a human that is walking, right? So continue watching the video for the tutorial of it. In order for you to build the WalkerBot, these are all the parts that you need. Feel free to pause the video so that you can see it clearly to avoid confusion. You can also check it on your manual book, it is on page 21. So let's get started! And that will conclude our tutorial. Thank you guys for watching our tutorial video and stay tuned for what we are going to build on our next tutorial.